Oh, hello guys, back to Nature Expeditions. Today we have a 22-pound cat stuck under a chair. We're gonna see how we can get him out. Come here, you 20-pounder. He's a big bloke. See if he can slide out from under. Come here, you big large cat. Where you at, cat? You gonna come out the back? Come on, you fat cat. Where you at, cat? He's a big fucker. Come on, you big bloke. What you doing, G? Where's this fat cat at? Come on, fat cat. What are you doing, you big old fat cat? I'm gonna drag this sucker out of here. He's a big old fucker. Where you at, you fat cat? Where you at, you fat cat? Come on, G. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a little tricky with it down here. So we can get the big bloke out of there. Come on, you big old kitty cat. Come on, kid. Here you go, kid. We got another kid. Here you go, kid. Good boy, kid. See if we can get the old fat kid out. Come on, fat kid. The adoring public wants to see you there, fat kid. You could be the next grumpy kid, or you could just be the fat kid. Come on, you big old fat kid. Look at that fat kid. What you doing, GB? What you doing? Come on out. They're gone. Don't you be scared. See if we can get the old fat kid out. Come on, G. Let's see this big fat kid come sliding out. Come on, G. Jeep, J, Joe, J, Joe, J, Jeep. Oh well, this video's gonna be forever. A video about a chair. Here he comes. Ready to see this fat cat? I'm gonna lift it up and he's gonna come flying out of there. Oh! Look at you, fat cat. Look at you, fat cat. He's a big fat cat. Come on, G. It's okay. It's okay, Kippy. It's okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, and there he's stuck again. You okay, you fat kid? He's a good fat kid. Look at you, big old fat kid. See, you're alright, kitty kid. Let's look at that fat old kid. Look at that fat kid. 22-pound whopper. Look at that belly sag to the ground. He's a big old fat kid. And there's his friend, Anger Cat. That's my good friend, Kitty. They might have a fight here. Let's see. Big fight. Nope, just fat cat sitting down. Good boy, fat cat. It concludes our nature adventures of the day. Fat cat's running off. Pretty cat is running off too. We'll see you later, you jerk.